Modern work, learning, and entertainment demand devices that are versatile, powerful, and intuitive. The TouchWo 27-inch touchscreen PC monitor delivers all of this and more, making it a standout choice for classrooms, offices, and home environments. It combines a large, vibrant display with robust hardware and interactive touch features, transforming the way you interact with your PC. The 27-inch full HD 1080p screen is the first thing you notice. Colors are vibrant, details are sharp, and viewing angles are wide enough to keep images clear from almost any perspective. For productivity, education, or media consumption, the display ensures every detail is visible and text is crisp. The touchscreen functionality adds a layer of interactivity that traditional monitors can't match. Gestures like swiping, pinching, and scrolling feel natural and responsive, making navigation seamless whether you're reviewing documents, annotating presentations, or browsing apps. Beneath the sleek surface, the monitor houses an Intel i7 processor with 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD. This combination allows for smooth multitasking, fast boot times, and ample storage for documents, media, and applications. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, offering a modern interface with productivity-focused features. Running multiple apps simultaneously, editing files, or streaming content is effortless thanks to this hardware setup. Connectivity is well thought out. The monitor includes multiple USB ports and a VGA interface, allowing you to connect peripherals, external drives, keyboards, and mice easily. In classrooms or meeting rooms, this flexibility ensures compatibility with existing setups, and the monitor's interactive smartboard functionality lets you annotate, highlight, or illustrate ideas directly on screen. This creates engaging, dynamic presentations and interactive lessons that capture attention. The design is modern and minimalistic, blending well into any space. The stable stand keeps the display secure at an optimal angle, while the clean aesthetic minimizes clutter. Beyond looks, the build quality ensures durability, making it reliable for frequent daily use in classrooms or offices. Performance-wise, the system is more than capable. The Intel i7 processor and 8 GB RAM handle demanding applications and multitasking without slowing down. The 512 GB SSD provides rapid access to files and fast system boot times, while Windows 11 Pro enhances security and offers access to professional and educational software. The touchscreen interface adds another dimension. It enables direct interaction with applications, whether drawing, designing, or navigating content. This makes collaboration easy, as multiple users can interact with the screen simultaneously. Whether it's for teaching, presenting, or brainstorming, the touch interface enhances productivity and engagement. For home users, this monitor doubles as an entertainment hub. Watching movies, video conferencing, casual gaming, or streaming content is enjoyable on the large FHD display. The intuitive touch interface makes controlling media effortless, while the all-in-one design reduces cables and clutter, offering a neat and efficient workspace. In summary, the TouchWo 27-inch touchscreen PC monitor combines performance, versatility, and interactivity. It's perfect for modern workspaces, classrooms, and homes where both productivity and engagement matter. Its large, crisp display, powerful hardware, and responsive touch capabilities make it an ideal all-in-one solution. If you want to buy this TouchWo 27-inch touchscreen PC monitor, Intel i7, 8 GB RAM, 512G SSD, 16:9 FHD 1080p, Win 11 Pro, smartboard for classroom, meeting, and home, USB, VGA, then please visit the link provided in the description.